Hello everybody, I am Atharv Pateriya from grade 5 Maples in Lotus Valley International School. Today we will learn about density of liquids. What is density? Any object has molecules and density determines about how the molecules are packed tightly against each other. Different liquids have different density. I will show you an experiment. In that experiment, I will show you how different liquids have different density. I will pour some honey, dishwasher liquid, milk and oil in a transparent jar for us to see that no liquid will mix with each other because of density. Now let us see the experiment. Honey, dishwasher liquid, milk and vegetable oil. This is called a density tower. Now I will do another experiment, and in this I will show you how density changes with temperature. Guys, I have two glasses of water. This blue one is cold water and this red one is hot water. Now I have just added color in them to see the flow of water. Now I have this plastic sheet with me. Because this water is hot, I am taking the help of an adult. So now we have turned upside down and now we have placed it upon the cold water. Now we will remove the plastic sheet slowly. So as you saw, the hot water was not mixing with the cold water. Why? Because cold water had more density than hot water. In real life, with this concept, we will be able to understand what things float and what things sink in different liquids.